Hello children, welcome to the class. Today we will discuss about the last part of the coastal plains. So we will discuss about the two main groups of islands of India, the Andaman and Nicobar Islands and the Lakshadweep Islands. So before going to start, let me tell you what is an island. An island is a piece of land surrounded by water on all sides. A group of islands is called an archipelago. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands is a group of 300 islands and the Lakshadweep Islands are a group of 36 islands. Look at this is the group of 300 big and small islands of Andaman and Nicobar. It is located in the Bay of Bengal. Some of them are of volcanic origin. The northern part is the Andaman and the southern part is the Nicobar. Children, look here. This is the group of Lakshadweep Islands in the Arabian Sea. These islands are very close to the Malabar coast. They are small and flat. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands are located in the Bay of Bengal. It is a group of 300 big and small islands. These islands are covered with dense forest. The capital is Port Blair. Fisheries, tourism and ship repairing are the small industries which create jobs to the people. The people here speak Bengali, Hindi, Nicobari, Telugu, Tamil and Malayalam. The tribal people speak their local language. These islands are connected to the mainland by air and sea. The southernmost point of these islands is called the Indira Point. Barren Island, which is the only active volcano in India, is located here. One of the most famous and historic monuments is the cellular jail, in which many Indian freedom fighters were kept during the independence struggle. During British rule, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru had also spent some time in this jail. Look here, the cellular jail, also known as Kalapani, was a colonial prison in the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. The prison was used by British for express purpose of exiling the political prisoners to the remote group of islands. So let's talk about the Lakshadweep Islands. These are a group of 36 small islands in the Arabian Sea. These islands are very close to the Malabar coast. These islands are of coral origin. So children, do you know what is coral? Coral is a hard, colorful substance formed from the skeletal remains of tiny sea creatures. Kavaratti is the capital. Fishing and growing coconut are the main occupation. Some of them are also engaged in making coir items. The lifestyle of people on this island is the same as that of Keralites. Look at this beautiful, calm and quiet island of India. Lakshadweep is a cluster of many islands. It is most alluring tourist spot with beautiful shiny white sand beaches, vast and vivid marine life and endless water sports. It is one stop destination for nature lovers, water lovers and adventures lovers. People here speak Malayalam. Every year thousands of tourists come here to enjoy the scenic beauty.